You know, at peak boating season, the ramps are crowded and tempers flare. The best way to get on the wrong side of your fellow boaters is to hog the ramp doing things you should have done at home in your driveway or in the staging area. General Tire wants you to be a better, more courteous boater, so follow along as we go through the techniques of courteous launching from General Tire.
The first thing you want to do is be sure you can back your boat in and pull it out without slipping or spinning your wheels. I found I could do that easily with my two-wheel drive Ford F-150 and General all-terrain Grabber ATX tires. These tires have a good compromise of quiet, smooth highway ride and an aggressive tread that grips the ramp firmly, letting me pull a heavy load up the steep ramp without four-wheel drive. Come to the party underpowered and get stuck, you'll have an angry mob of hecklers standing by. Almost all launch ramps have a staging area for handling tasks required to prep for launching. This is where you remove your transom straps and screw in the drain plug. Here's the place to load cargo like coolers, tackle, and other things. Now turn on the battery switch and be sure your engine cutoff lanyard and ignition key are in place. Finally, put fenders and dock lines on the side of the boat you'll be bringing against the courtesy dock. Now you're ready to approach the ramp. Get in line. Unhitch the bow strap. When you're ready to back into the water, have a crew member climb in the boat to drive it off the trailer. Every ramp is different for every trailer, but most of the time, just barely submerging the fenders is a good place to start, both for unloading and loading. Note the depth, and if you have to adjust, remember how deep you submerged your trailer for recovery or the next launch. Start the boat and drive off the trailer. If possible, have your friend park the truck and trailer while you back your boat away from the ramp, allowing others to have access while your partner returns. When your driver returns to the ramp, pull in quickly to pick him up and get underway. When it's time to pull out, drop your driver on the dock and back away while he retrieves the truck. Load and get off the ramp quickly. Remember to do your final preparations for trailering home as far away from the ramp as possible. If you're alone or don't have a helper who can manage the boat or trailer, tie your boat off as far from the ramp as possible so the ramp is still usable by other boaters while you park or retrieve the trailer. Stow your gear and tie down your transom in the staging area.
Just remember, there's lots of people here that need to use the ramp, and like you, they're tired, sunburned, anxious about the process, probably thirsty. So this isn't the place to pop a cold drink, trek to the bathroom, or have a conversation. Just do that after you've left the ramp. When you're towing a rig, you have a much greater responsibility, both to your crew and to all of those around you. Make sure your trailer is in top shape, the lights are working, and the trailer tires are properly inflated. Make sure your tow vehicle is in top working order too, with quality tires with plenty of tread life.